Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video. First, let's understand what healthy eating is. Eating well does not mean going hungry or following extreme diets.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss: How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
Healthy eating is about balancing the nutrients your body needs to function better, giving you energy and helping you lose weight effectively. A good diet includes lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and lots of fiber, which helps with digestion and feelings of fullness. A good diet includes lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and lots of fiber, which helps with digestion and feeling better. Now I'm going to share 5 essential tips for creating a healthy diet and losing weight efficiently. Tip 1. Control portions. Eating smaller portions is one of the simplest ways to reduce calories without feeling deprived. Tip 2. Focus on natural foods. Choose foods that come directly from nature. Avoid processed foods, which are full of sugars and bad fats. Tip 3. Avoid refined sugar. Cut out sodas, sweets and processed foods. Sugar is one of the main causes of weight gain. Tip 4. Hydrate yourself with water. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. This helps your metabolism and keeps your body functioning well. Tip 5. Eat frequent meals. Eat every 3 hours to keep your metabolism active and avoid overindulging in main meals. How to create your own healthy diet. Now that you know the tips, it's time to put together your diet. Here is a simple example of healthy meals for a day of balanced eating. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with quinoa and cooked vegetables. Snack: an apple with a spoonful of peanut butter. To have lunch: green salad with salmon and avocado. A balanced meal is essential for health because it provides the body with all the nutrients it needs to function properly. When we talk about a balanced diet, we are referring to the appropriate combination of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals and fiber, which are essential for the body to function properly. Main benefits of a balanced meal. Healthy weight maintenance. Eating in a balanced way helps control weight, as a correct combination of nutrients keeps the metabolism active and prevents the accumulation of fat. This is especially important for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Improvement of the immune system. Nutrients such as vitamins and minerals are essential for strengthening the immune system. Foods rich in vitamin C, zinc and antioxidants, for example, help protect the body against diseases and infections. Increased energy and mood. When we eat in a balanced way, our body receives the right amount of energy from complex carbohydrates and healthy fats, which keeps us active and energetic throughout the day. This also avoids that feeling of tiredness after heavy, sugar-rich meals. Digestive health. Fiber intake, present in fruits, vegetables and whole grains, is essential for the health of the digestive system. Fiber helps with digestion, prevents constipation and promotes intestinal health. Chronic disease prevention. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension and heart disease. By avoiding excessive consumption of refined sugars, trans fats, and processed foods, the body remains healthier in the long term. Not eating well can bring several disadvantages to your health, both in the short and long term. An unbalanced diet, rich in processed foods, bad fats and sugars, and low in essential nutrients can lead to a series of problems that affect general well-being. Main disadvantages of not eating well: weight gain and obesity. Diets high in empty calories, such as fast food and ultra-processed foods, can lead to excessive weight gain. High consumption of sugars and saturated fats favors the accumulation of body fat, especially in the abdominal region, increasing the risk of obesity. Fatigue and lack of energy. Foods with low nutritional value, such as sweets and soft drinks, provide a quick burst of energy, but soon cause a drop in blood sugar levels, resulting in tiredness and lack of energy throughout the day. Without adequate nutrients, the body does not have enough energy to function efficiently. Weakened immune system. A diet low in vitamins and minerals weakens the immune system, leaving the body more vulnerable to infections, colds, flu, and other illnesses. The lack of nutrients such as vitamin C, zinc, and antioxidants compromises the body's ability to protect itself. Digestive problems. A lack of fiber in your diet, such as those found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can cause constipation, bloating, and other digestive problems. Additionally, a diet high in processed foods and low in fiber can harm gut health in the long term. Development of chronic diseases. A diet rich in trans fats, sodium, and refined sugar significantly increases the risk of developing chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. Regular consumption of unhealthy foods can affect the heart, blood vessels, and pancreas, leading to serious health problems. Mental and emotional problems. Poor diet is also associated with mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Studies show that diets high in processed foods and low in nutrients can worsen mood and increase the risk of emotional disorders. Compromised bone development. A lack of nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health, can weaken bones, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially at older ages. By following these simple tips, you will notice a big difference in your body and your health. Don't forget that every step matters. Small changes in everyday life can lead to big results in the long term. And if you like these tips, don't forget to leave a like below and share this video with your friends and family who also want to lose weight in a healthy way. And of course, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next incredible tips to come. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.